In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email to HubSpot CRM. This process is essential to ensure that your emails are seamlessly integrated with the CRM, allowing you to manage your communications more effectively. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the trial guide page on the HubSpot website. This is your gateway to accessing the various tools HubSpot offers. To do so, simply open your preferred web browser and go to the URL provided for the trial guide. This page serves as your control center, where you can manage and personalize your experience with HubSpot. Once you're on the trial guide, the next step is to click on the Settings option. You will usually find it in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Settings will open up a menu with various options that allow you to customize your HubSpot environment according to your needs. It's similar to adjusting the settings on your phone or computer to make it work just the way you like it. After accessing the Settings menu, look for the Email option and give it a click. This section is dedicated to managing all things related to your email. By entering this area, you're one step closer to connecting your inbox with HubSpot. Now that you're in the email settings, you'll see an option labeled Connect Personal Email. Click on this. Doing this initiates the process of integrating your personal email account with HubSpot. It's important to note that you should have your email login credentials handy, as you might need them shortly. Following this, you will see an option prompting you to connect your inbox. Click on this option as well. Connecting your inbox allows HubSpot to access your emails so they can be tracked, logged, and organized within the CRM. This integration is vital for keeping your communications streamlined and centralized, which is especially beneficial for sales and customer service teams. At this point, you'll be prompted to click on Email Address. Here, you will enter your email address that you intend to connect with HubSpot. Make sure to double-check that you've entered the correct email address to avoid any connectivity issues. As you follow these steps, keep in mind that having a connected email account with HubSpot not only enhances your ability to track and manage emails directly from the CRM, but also ensures that your communications with clients and team members are efficient and organized. This ultimately leads to improved productivity and helps maintain a professional online presence. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you can successfully connect your email to HubSpot CRM, bringing greater organization and efficiency to your email communication. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through the comments section, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content like this.